My name's Michael Mobies. This is Liesel. How old are you?
10.
And we have partnered with Dove Men Plus Care to discuss how to teach kids to protect the environment. So Liesel,
Yes.
what are some ways that you have seen your mom and me show that we respect the environment and want to take good care of it?
Well, we planted a whole bed of flowers so that we can save the bees, which are part of the environment. And we always recycle. And we do a lot of gardening that overall just helps the environment.
Okay, so you said that you thought us having a garden is helpful in terms of the environment. How are some ways you think that that is helpful?
Well, we don't put any pesticides or chemicals on our food, which helps the environment. Especially the main reason they think the bees are dying is because of pesticides on plants that they pollinate. And also at big meat factories, which we don't eat every night, and we do have the garden instead of meat, they use a lot of water, which is not helping the environment. So that's a good alternative for meat, is stuff we can grow ourselves.
Yeah, like black beans. A lot of times we'll have burritos with black beans instead of beef or chicken. Like we eat meat sometimes, but not every single night. Some other things that we do, you may have noticed, is we have a couple of our downspouts. We have rain barrels attached to them, and so we'll take water from the rain barrels to water the garden and the flowers. We have peppers growing behind us on the patio here, and then 6 containers in the very back. And what else do we have growing here? We have lavender and rosemary and thyme.
Basil, I think?
Yeah. So we have a lot of pots here on the patio that we grow things with, and then, like I said, the containers back behind us that we grow vegetables with. Any other ways you can think of that during quarantine we can still act to help the environment? We said recycling, we said planting your own food, we said not eating meat every single night,
Flowers.
planting flowers for pollinators, recycling water. You said recycling in general. We're not allowed to recycle glass here, but plastics and paper/cardboard we do a lot of. We try to conserve water by using rain barrels for the garden, and I have a separate water meter for irrigation. So it's not, since that water isn't going into the sewer, it's going into the ground. Anything else?
Well, I noticed that not just in quarantine, but I've always seen a lot of litter in our neighborhood. So you could pick up litter and not litter, which has not only been a problem in quarantine, but the whole time I've noticed a lot of litter in places.
Do you pick up litter if you see it on the ground when you're walking around?
If I have pockets.
If you have pockets. That's a good point.
I usually pick it up, but sometimes if there's a lot and I don't really have anywhere to take it, it's not fun. With gross garbage everywhere.
All right. Well, thanks for your input today. Again, my name's Michael Mobies. Those are a few of the ways that our family tries to work together to protect the environment. And if you have other tips, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks.